So very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to one and all. It is our absolute pleasure to welcome you for today's international webinar. I'm pretty much sure here that our participants from the different countries of the world will get the incredible sessions from our speakers. Today we have two emeritus speakers. We will start today's webinar, today's presentation with our professor, Catalino Mendoza sir from Philippines, and he is also the Pro Vice Chancellor of our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America. So please give big hand for our professor, Catalino Mendoza sir, that one of the speaker of today's inaugural session of Wosap 2022. I am feeling always proud to introduce our another speaker who is from India, who is one of the great academicians leading the researchers, scholars, none other than Professor Dr. S.K. Boral, sir, the head and the dean also, head Department of Commerce, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, India. So please give the big hand for our another speaker, Professor Dr. S.K. Boral, sir, in this platform. It's always great honor for us to welcome the emeritus speakers like our Professor Catalino Mendoza sir and Professor Dr. S.K. Boral sir in the inaugural session especially. And today we know that we have the Wosap 2022 inaugural session. I wanted to share here that workshop on Scopus, WOS, the UGC care list, free publication, and patent filing process. I always feel it's the amazing journey with the researcher and the scholars and the academics. We know that they are facing the problem for Scopus pre-publication. There are numbers of challenges every time. Even we have seen some organizations are taking money and being captured. That is our researcher, our academicians. So we have started this renaissance in this world. We are always feeling proud to connect the 193 countries of the world from our Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, and Eudoxia Research Center, India. We are always supporting the scholars, and therefore today proudly announcing that this year also more than 35,000 scholars into our different programs. And we are at the very beginning of this year. And we have the more than around 1,000 IIPN. I'm giving the big hand to our all proud IIPN here, those who are contributing themselves to the research and innovation. They have opened up the new horizon for the world. They are showing that how the research can be professional. They are always saying that I'm proud IIPN. And I myself always feeling proud that yes, this is the true researcher who is ready to contribute from his side, her side, and definitely in future, they will be the great academician like today we are having in this platform. I'm sharing that our Professor Boral sir, Professor Catalino sir, also our Professor Kannu sir is here, the Dean from Eudoxia Research Center. Their motivation that whenever you will see their life, it will inspire you. It will inspire you because they are contributing. And whenever say someone is from Philippines, at 7 p.m., say in Indian time, or 8:30 a.m. in our US time, say it's in morning 8:30 a.m. and India at 7 p.m. But for them, it's now, I know that it's 9:30 p.m. in the Philippines. So starting in that time, that is sacrificing the dinner and contributing to the researcher is really appreciation from our side. So now today, I wanted to share with you the organizing committee member. In our Wosap 2022, in this workshop, we have patron, Dr. J.N. Rolli Madam, and I'm giving the big hand to our Dr. J.N. Rolli Madam, always supporting us and from the City University, Newark. And we have our convener, Professor Catalino Mendoza sir, from Philippines, and we are giving the big hand to our Professor Catalino Mendoza sir. We have our organizing secretary, Edwin Kubai sir from Kenya. He is from Ministry of Higher Education, the ICT officer, Kenya. So my big hand and appreciation to our Kubai sir. We have coordinator, Smriti Mehta from India. She is collaboration officer from Eudoxia Research Center, and my appreciation to Smriti Mehta. So these are all the leaders of this workshop, and we know that the speakers will guide each and everyone to the next level of our research. Thank you, I think that Bala Sahib Kale for your message, and we can see that one after another they are sharing the good evening and good afternoon, good morning messages as per their country. So we can see now the watch is showing that I am reaching 7 in India and 8:30 in US. So we have to start our session. Before starting the session, we will have the greeting message. First, I would like to take the opportunity to unmute our Professor Dr. Rajesh Kannur, sir, the Dean from Eudoxia Research Center, to share his greeting message to all, and big hand to our Kannur.
Namaskar, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening to all the participants. And anyway, it's the beginning of an workshop on Scopus, Web of Science, UGC Care List, free publication, and also patent filling process. It is an 1 week program we are having, and we are having round the year programs. It's not a single one, okay? And we are meant for an empowerment of the academicians, researchers, and to contribute to the knowledge domain of all the subjects, especially through research and development. And we are committed to it. And at the beginning, I welcome our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Catalino, sir, to today's session. And also Dean, Indira Gandhi Tribal University, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh from India, Dr. S.K. Baral, sir, to today's session. Both I welcome you, sir. And also our all the participants, those who joined, okay, from every nook and corner of this world, I welcome you to our Eudoxia Research Center and Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, America. With this one, once more, I welcome all of you to today's session. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and begin for our professor, Dr. Rajesh Kannur, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful message. And now we will have another message by our professor, Dr. S.K. Baral, sir, one of the speaker of today's inaugural session, Head Department of Commerce, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, one of the leading central university from India. Sir, we are not receiving the audio, sir. I think, yes, sir. Audio we are not receiving, sir. And I think, sir, is maybe facing some audio issue.
Dear sir, Dr. Rituraj, and also, of course, the Vice President, Dr. Pratisha, the Dean, Dr. Rajesh, the Dean also, of course, of Indira, Dr. S.K. Baral, and also, of course, the Managing Director, the CEO, the CPPO, and all the members of the family. Again, I would like to congratulate everyone, and also, of course, advance congratulations to those participants of today's activities and the entire activity. More particularly in this particular platform or program. So you are in good hands. What I've always tell to all participants, you are in good hand with Eudoxia. It is because the Eudoxia people are all excellent, are all certain level of pros when it comes to conducting researches in different fields, such as engineering, business management, education, and even economics, in other fields such as social sciences and environment as well. So again, I would like to congratulate everyone, and you are in good hand. You might be probably sharing your thoughts, and people behind this particular family will extend their help, their hands towards the achievement of whatever you want for your life, for your organization, for your family, and for the world. Again, namaste everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon.
Thank you very much, sir, and begin for our Professor Catalina Mendoza, sir. And we have seen that sir was sharing the message from his side. Now this is time to hear from our Professor, Dr. S.K. Baral, sir. I would like to unmute you, sir, and please try to share your view. I think that audio is not coming here. So sir is maybe facing some problem with the device. So we will personally call you, sir, and we will seek the solution. And we wanted to start our Professor Catalina Mendoza, sir, presentation. And we will contact you, sir, and we will guide you that maybe some audio, that device connecting issue is there, and for what we are not getting. You can, sir, one time check the volume of the device. If volume is lower down also, sometime in that case, we are not start up. So I would like to take the opportunity to unmute our Catalina Mendoza, sir, and we would like to have one wonderful session where we know that most of the time, always we are having the incredible session by Professor Catalina Mendoza. Always he is starting with beautiful slides, his quotation, and particularly the motivation that will win the heart of everyone. I am pretty much sure here today also, everyone will really gonna to enjoy this presentation. We will learn research method and methodology, but with our beautiful smile in our hand. And that is actually the learning platform of our ebooks. Yeah. And we would like to welcome again our Professor Catalina Mendoza, sir, with the big hand from our side. Over to you.
Namaste again. And I would like to share my PowerPoint